So today, this is a world big bag person in this world. He even eats all the food, and he even go like something, and he even burped like a disgusting cow. Okay. Hey. You might be the new one, right? Yeah. My son is always burping out like that, and he was like eating all of the food because he needs some fat and he needs to go to gym. Oh, that sounds nice. So get in the cart. Why? Mom, what am I even gonna do? I need to eat all of the food. Well, don't eat all of the food when I put them in the cart. Why? Because you are the world big bag person. That's not cool, but I'm not a big bag person. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Yes. So I'm gonna buy some stuff. I want to buy some ketchup. Let me take those. Oh, what do you think you're doing? Don't come in my spot. That's what. This is not your belong to. That's mine. Those chocolates. So delicious, those chocolates. Let me open them. Excuse you, young boy. What do you think you're doing? You eating all of the chocolates? Yeah, because I'm a big bad person. I can't take this chocolate. You even messed up with this chocolate? Yeah. I want to get some the ice cream. I need to get like carrots, oranges. I need two of them. And I need strawberry. I need grapes. Hey, hi. So, where is your son? Oh my god, where's my son? Let me put this car. Son, where are you? Where do you think you're going? Why do you eat all of the chocolate? Why do you... what the heck, you guys? I don't even care about... What is this smell? You know what? Why... Okay, I even do this. Why do you eat all of the chocolate? Because I'm a big bad person. I don't care that you're a big bad person. Oh, well, whatever. That's what I need, those chocolate, and you ate them. You gonna be fat? And are you going to gym? Where are you going, guys? Say. I didn't say you go anywhere. Let me get some pie. Why a pie? Let me eat all of them. Nom 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 nom. Oh gosh. Can you stop eating all of the food? Excuse me, what are you even doing? You eating all of the food that you needed to. What are you doing? The securities might be coming in. There's no any securities in there. And what do you think you're talking about? There's no real securities in here, dumbo. What do you mean? Why you call me like that? Because I'm a big bad person, you know? I like eating all the food. He's always big bag. He eats all the food because he wants to be a fat person. And he wants to be burping like a disgusting cow. What? Oh, let me stay in my spot. I need some chips. And I need steak. And I need these stuff. I need this. Some pink one. I need yogurt. Wait, I already ate it. And milk. What are those niggas? Why are there pictures in here? The pictures. I didn't. Oh, hey fish. I don't think you. Are you talking to your imaginary fish? No, I did not eat imaginary fish. No. Big fish. What are those? Eat those chips. Oh, I can't do it. Eat those chips. Why are you burping? Ew. Oh, this chicken didn't work. Nom. Eat the morsel. And eat the cookie. Let me eat the cookie. Nom. Oh, some cheeses. It's my son is always big back in this world, you know. He's literally right there. What do you think you're doing? Eating all of the food? Yeah, I am most fat person. Oh, I need some. The boxes I ate is so hard. I had to eat all of the food. There it is. Oh yeah, let's eat some stuff. I don't know. Okay, enough talking for you. So, where's your son? Oh oh my goodness, where's my son? Oh, where's my son? Where's my son? Oh my god, where's my son? Oh, hey, what you young boy, what you think you're doing? Shut up, you old lady! I just heard him shut up. He's saying, shut up, you old lady. I even ate honey. Who's that person eating food? Okay. Oh, why am I getting... I didn't say in the cart stuff. I said only this. Not... Okay. Where's your son? Oh. He's behind you, your son. Oh. Oh my god! Darn it! This is so ridiculous! You eat all of the food? You ate all of the food, and what were you doing? I was eating all of the food and fruits and vegetables in there. What? You're going to gym right now. You're almost fat. I'm not almost fat. Yes, you are. Let's go. Oh, oh, okay. Oh, it's 18. Yeah. Okay. but I didn't even have it. Oh, that's fine. Put it in that in your bag. Okay. What do you think you're doing? You look like some nasty person in the world. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. Ew, what is that? Ew, what is happening there? Who burned the shot? Ew, what is going on? There's a burp. Somebody's burping and it's coming all over the body. Ew. Ew, what is going on? Ew. Ew, what is that? Who burping it? Oh my god, who just burped it? Ew. Excuse me, is that you burping? No, I did not. You burping like a gross cow. No, I did not. Excuse me, you ate all the food? Yes, I'm a big bag person. I don't care. Let's get all of the cereals. This, this. Oh, those I can. Okay. Ew! This is the most disgusting boy I've ever seen him. Can we go to home quickly? Let's go. Oh, what do I do that? Well, whatever. I have him. There. Why you look dizzy? Because I don't know why I look dizzy. I don't know. You don't know why you're dizzy? It's because you watch your phone always for 80 hours. That's why you're wearing glasses, so you're nerd? No, I'm not nerd. Yes, you are. You're wearing glasses, you dumb. No. Okay, you're very dumb. Are you sick? Yes. Why? I don't want to come to you right now. Oh, who are those boys? Well, let's go to home, man. Okay. Wait, why can't I go? Okay, let's go. Oh. Is that rising global popstar Stellara Raj? Why are you so obsessed with me? Like, seriously, why are you so obsessed with me? Wait, I can't do it. Wait, I can't do the lagging walk. Wait, let me try going like this. Wait, I can't. This is better. OMG! OMG! Is that Laura? Is that Laura? Oh my god! I'm big fan of you! Guys, come on! It's a somebody fan! Let's go! Is that Laura? Is that Laura? What is that sound coming from? What is going on there? We all buy groceries, but you're not. You're just going somewhere else. Oh, why can't I go into this train? Why? Why? What? Okay, let's go. Okay, bye everyone. So this is the big bag person.